What's good, everyone? A lot of people have been asking me how to show them exactly how to hook the MPCs standalones up to the iPad and what wire, because there's a lot of confusion out there. You know, there were ways to do this and a lot of little different hookups and workarounds, but now with the new update Akai dropped, it's just 1, 2, 3, a simple USB wire. The USB wire that comes with your Akais, you're going to plug right into your iPad. So all you need, if you have the newer iPads with that adapter, you just need a hub. So there's a million hubs out there. I'm going to leave some links for you guys to check out some of the hubs I have and reviews. Here's one you could use if you need it. You see some of them have HDMI, some of them have memory cards, USB ports, Type-C. So for the Type-C, I actually have this adapter on there. It just comes right off. That wasn't good. 2 USBs, Type-C, headphone port, memory card, HDMI. Sits up here, and I'm simply plugging my MPC right into the iPad. Simple as that. Now, if you have an older iPad, like my 2016 over there, I forgot what generation that is, get the USB to Lightning. You'll need one of those because it works with those too. And you won't need a power hub. You can also get a USB power hub to do it, but you don't need it. So you could just get a regular adapter. It doesn't have to be one with all the extra stuff. You could just get a USB one and it'll work with the older iPad too. That's simple. This could not be done before with just a USB because it wasn't class compliant. With the update Akai brought us, it is now class compliant. So yes, now all you need is one simple wire. USB, right in, done. Check out Beatmakers The Squad. Also, I'll leave his link in the description. And both of us are going to be bringing you tons of these Akai videos and update videos and what you could do with them. So thanks for watching. Peace.